If you're facing problem with your Geometry Dash app, just follow these quick steps to fix Geometry Dash app not opening on iPhone. So the first solution is update the app. Go to your App Store. Tap on your profile photo at the top right. Tap on Purchased, My Purchases, and search for the app, and if update available, then update the app and check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is offload the app. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, iPhone storage, and tap on Geometry Dash and offload the app. Once done, reinstall it and check the issue. And the third solution is free up your storage. Go to General, tap on iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is almost full, then free up your iPhone storage by uninstalling unwanted apps and then check the issue. And the last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to General, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, reset all settings, then restart your iPhone, and hope this will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-Minute Solution. See you in the next video.